right, Garrett Renders from Integrys here at Emerging Technologies at Caesars Windsor. We've had a great day discussing machine vision solutions with the industry leaders in the Windsor, Essex area. Whether you're in the automotive industry, the construction industry, ag tech, any of the related spaces, we are able to provide modular, optimized machine vision solutions that can support object location, defect detection, deep learning based vision solutions. Please be sure to reach out if there's anything that we can do to assist you.